everyone, Tracy here with Kokokahn Essential Oils. We are doing a DIY aromatherapy inhaler recipe today for supporting our emotional health. And we're going to be using Rhododendron Essential Oil. That's kind of our new essential oil that we've been working with a lot lately. We're also going to use Sandalwood and Fragonia essential oils. And all those oils are really good for releasing deep-seated trauma and fear, opening the heart chakra, really letting go of that baggage we carry around emotionally. So that is what we're making today, an aromatherapy inhaler for that. We're going to start with 5 drops of rhododendron essential oil. Now, the inhaler sticks here, we sell these on our website as well. They come in 3 parts. You have your inhaler tube, you have your cotton wick that the oils go onto, and then we're going to put the wick inside of the tube, and then you have your cap, and the cap just encapsulates it and closes it all in. So we have our cotton wick in a glass dish. I prefer glass to plastic so the oils aren't absorbing into the plastic. And it can be anything. It could be a plate, it doesn't have to be a bowl. So first we're going to do 5 drops of rhododendron essential oil. It says, I love the smell of this oil. 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're putting it mostly at one end of the inhaler cotton wick, and that's so that the oils can blend together in the same spot. Next is 4 drops of sandalwood essential oil. And sandalwood, we sell the sandalwood straight, undiluted. A lot of times in the natural grocery stores, you'll see sandalwood in 1% jojoba oil base or something like that. We just sell it straight. So sandalwood, we're going to do 4 drops. Sandalwood is a thick oil. It comes from the trunk of the tree, so you have to be patient. And this is the wrong one, actually. This one's almost out. Here's another bottle that has more in it. But so it comes from the trunk of the tree, so it teaches us patience. It takes 30 years for the oil to produce, or for the tree to produce an oil. So it's quite pricey. Also, you have to kill the tree to get the oil. So it's really, really important that the farmers are practicing sustainability. They're reharvesting, replanting the sandalwood trees, which a lot of them are really big out there and doing that, especially in the sandalwood industry. So next we have Fragonia. And Fragonia is a little less known oil that comes from Australia. We're going to use 3 drops of Fragonia. And that's it. So you have 5 drops rhododendron, 4 drops sandalwood, 3 drops Fragonia. You're going to soak all the oil up with the end of your stick. Oops. Put oil side down into your aromatherapy inhaler tube. Pop your cap on. I like to use the table to kind of snap it in. There we go. And you're all set for your emotionally supportive aromatherapy inhaler with rhododendron. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.